Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so we don't want to saw, we just want to slice. Just, yes. And if you can bring the knife closer to the fork to make it as realistic as possible. Okay. You can go a little faster. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, so we want to keep the fork stationed, so we don't move the fork. We'd hold the item in place. Great. Great. Okay, great. Oh, you're doing great. Don't move the fork, though. You want to keep the fork in place. The only thing would be moved is the knife. Okay? All right. Okay, Miss Liz, you're way too far from the table. There's something there? Okay, I understand. Okay. Yeah, I don't want you to hit your knee.
And I did already.
Okay, I understand. Good. Great. Good. Okay, good. Okay, so we keep our fork in place. Don't move your fork. We want to keep it stationed. The only thing you would move is your knife. Okay? Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, great job. Go ahead and cut a little bit more for me, please. You can go a little faster. Okay, like you're slicing. Good, good. Lower your hand for me, please. Yes. Make it look a little natural. Yes. All right, lady. Miss Posh. Okay.